Is your garage door refusing to close properly? Malfunctioning sensors might be to blame. The safety sensors at the bottom of your garage door can become misaligned, dirty, or malfunction over time, leading to improper operation and potential safety risks. If you're in the Primbee area and facing this common problem, don't hesitate to take action. Call 0409-774-111 today to have your garage door repaired by our qualified professionals. Ensure your garage door operates smoothly and safely. Contact us now for expert service.